Fog lights are a critical safety accessory for improving visibility in adverse weather conditions, low illumination rural roads, and scattering rain or fog without creating excessive glare for oncoming drivers. H3 fog lights in particular balance a compact 1-to-1 form factor with modern LED technology or halogen equivalents, enabling plug-and-play upgrades without modifying the vehicle's wiring or housing. Product number 1. Mars Auto H3 Fog Light Bulb. Mars Auto's H3 LED fog bulbs target budget-conscious buyers who still want noticeably brighter illumination. The claim of 12,000 lumens at 6500K white light, combined with a 1-to-1 base that promises plug-and-play installation, positions this as a straightforward upgrade without special tools or adapters. The design emphasizes safety through anti-glare technology and a waterproof IP67 rating, plus a built-in IC driver for canbus compatibility, which helps reduce error codes on many modern vehicles. In practice, Mars Auto's 15W modules deliver solid mid-range brightness with strong penetration in fog and rain, and the 1-to-1 base means installation is quick and risk-free for 99% of vehicles. The 50,000-plus hour lifespan and high-temperature anti-aging rubber ring suggest durability in typical driving conditions. However, the overall color temperature, 6500K, may lean toward a cooler white that can be less forgiving in extremely foggy conditions, where a warmer hue sometimes helps cut through moisture. While the product advertises canbus readiness, some users report occasional non-detection in very new vehicle architectures, so a quick check of compatibility is prudent. Product number 2. Sealight H3 LED Fog Light Bulb. Sealight's H3 LED offering targets drivers who want noticeably brighter output with a strong emphasis on heat dissipation and reliability. At 14,000 lumens and a 6500K cool white color, Sealight packages a 6063 aluminum body with copper substrate for improved thermal transfer and a hue designed to maximize contrast in dreary weather. The claimed 50,000-hour life and IP68 rating reinforce durability in rain, fog, and dust, making this a robust option for frequent highway use or regional night drives. Real-world performance suggests sharp beam control with minimal halo, providing a clear foreground and extended distance visibility. The plug-and-play design keeps installation straightforward, and the universal fit aims to cover 99% of vehicles. Some users may notice a slightly cooler color balance against warmer DRLs or yellow fog lamps, and installation tolerances can vary by housing design. Heat management is a standout feature here, which helps sustain consistent brightness over time, reducing lumen depreciation in extended fog sessions.
Product number 3. Oxido H3 LED Bulb. Oxido's H3 LED variant touts 16,000 lumens with a 1-to-1 form factor, aiming for the premium end of the mid-range segment. The 6 CSP LED chips and 6500K cool white output emphasize maximum brightness with a focus on minimizing dark spots via a precise beam pattern that mirrors halogen filament positioning. The all-aluminum body and copper substrate are designed for rapid heat dissipation, supporting a claimed 10-year lifespan, while canbus-ready-to coating reduces common modern vehicle errors. User experience centers on plug-and-play simplicity and reliable performance across many vehicles. The build quality feels premium, but the higher power draw, 7.5 W per bulb, and 18-volt rating may require attention to electrical system compatibility on some models. The 2-year warranty offers an extra layer of support if a decoder is needed. A potential caveat is that the 6500K color temperature can be perceived as cool white in fog, which some drivers feel is less effective in extremely hazy conditions compared with slightly warmer tones.
Product number 4. Hella H3YL Twin Blister Extreme Yellow Bulb, 12 volt, 55 watt. Hela's H3YL yellow bulbs cater to drivers who prefer a traditional halogen yellow beam for foggy conditions, leveraging a lower color temperature to reduce backscatter and glare. The 2-pack extreme yellow bulbs are designed for off-road or rural driving, where yellow light can enhance contrast and reduce reflection from moisture-laden air. As a legacy automotive lighting brand, Hela emphasizes OEM-grade quality, with a focus on reliability and long-standing performance standards. Performance-wise, these are 55-watt halogen bulbs with a warm amber output, which can improve visibility in light fog or mist, though they lack LED-level brightness and efficiency. Installation remains straightforward for those who want a direct halogen replacement, but you lose the LED advantages of longer life and lower power draw. They're marketed for off-road use and, as such, may appeal to enthusiasts prioritizing a proven yellow beam over sheer brightness. Number 5. Oxido H3 LED Bulb Yellow 3000K. Oxido's amber yellow variant targets the same premium audience as the white version, but shifts color temperature to 3000K to deliver a warmer amber glow. Despite the color shift, it shares the same 16,000 lumens and 1-to-1 fitment with CSP chips and the same robust heat management and 10-year lifespan. The amber color is designed to reduce glare and scatter in misty conditions, potentially improving fog penetration with a warmer beam pattern. In practice, the yellow 3000K option can offer better performance in certain fog scenarios by reducing backscatter and improving contrast. The canbus-ready design and 2-year warranty remains, with a plug-and-play experience akin to the white variant. However, the perceived brightness may appear less white-hot to some users, and color consistency can vary with vehicle DRLs and housing reflectivity. The price at $39.99 places it at the premium end of the mid-range, making the value proposition more scrutinized for budget buyers.